Hi, I'm Makere from the team at Unleashed, here to show you how inventory management software works in 2 minutes. This is a great system used by companies with anywhere from 5 to 5,000 people for managing everything from sales through to production, purchasing, warehousing, all in a beautiful and efficient workflow. Let's see how that looks by starting with sales. Here I'm looking at all the different orders coming into my business, flowing in through channels like my e-commerce stores, over the phone, by email, from my physical stores, even through these lovely B2B sales portals I've got set up for my existing customers. So I'll open that first order up, and it's a big one, 1,000 units, and instantly I can see how much stock I have on hand ready to ship, which I can action right from here. If I'm a manufacturer, I can also see how much I can assemble based off the parts I have to hand, as well as what I need to purchase to fulfill that order. And the beautiful thing is all that complexity is going to be handled for me, with all the different documents into working lists with alerts and prompts, so nothing falls through the cracks. You can see here that my sales orders now split off into a shipment for my warehouse team to pick, pack and dispatch, while the rest has gone on backorder for my purchasing department to pick up. And of course, the second the new material that they've bought from my suppliers gets receipted into my warehouse, I'll note that I can then complete the order and keep my customers happy. It's an amazing system that all works because it keeps a live digital record of every stock item I have, including where it is, what it's worth, how old it is, and much more, which gives me amazing visibility over my business without getting me bogged down into spreadsheets and reports. We think it's great software, and so do thousands of other users around the world. We'd love to tell you more about it, so hit the link and get in touch to find out more.